Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I hope you all had a great day. And tonight I am going to be, today I wore Mod Magenta, which this is the last color of the 5 of the Prism of Colors that I've been doing. And Mod Magenta, I didn't hype this one up because to me it's like a normal color. It reminds me of like, to me, it's really red. I was imagining it being like, you know, I don't know, like a magenta. But it's still beautiful. But this one, I know the majority of people are going to love, and I know that they would wear this one. But I'll demo that for y'all tonight, and that will be the end of these cool colors. And I'm going to draw for the winner of the free color. So I will give y'all 1 second to jump on, and I'm gonna get a drink and clean my lips off. All right, when you clean your lips off, you want to go with the Oops Remover. You always want to do that. That or witch hazel. Or a wet cloth, you know, whatever you want to use. Just make sure they're clean, dry. Hey, everyone on. If you're on, give me some love so I know he's on and if I can see comments and stuff. And if you're watching some replay, just put replay in the comments. Thanks, y'all. All right. Now you want to shake, 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 shake. 1 second. All right. Hey, everyone. I hope everyone had a great Wednesday. I did hard work. It was fun. I got my pictures back from my photo shoot yesterday. I'm so excited. We just got done editing them, so I'm going to post them probably not tonight because it's getting pretty late, but there's so many. I haven't picked my favorites. I don't know how I'm going to pick 4. One of each. I don't know how I'm going to do it. So I may need y'all's help. They have to be in by, I mean, I would like to have them in by Friday, but I think Saturday is the last day. So I'm going to need y'all's help probably. I'm so excited though. They're really cute. Hi Leah. Hi Jackie. All right, Mod Magenta, y'all. This one's, I mean, this one isn't crazy. Well, I mean, I don't think it's crazy. People wear red. Red's normal, you know, pinks are normal. So this reminds me, or how it is on me, is like our color Be Ruby. I love it for like Christmas time because it has like shimmer and shine to it. But this is like Be Ruby, like the matte version. That's what it is to me. And I'm going to go in. You're going to want to go from one side to the other. You know, one motion, and you're going to part it, and we're doing it 3 times, drawing in between. Okay, guys? Hi, Paula. Does she know anything about Lipsense? Has she seen you in it? Or did you make her try it? All right. All right, don't forget your water on. All right, that's the first coat. You see, it's pretty. But to me, it's a normal color. It's not like it's not a crazy one. But of course, I picked pink. I had work today, so I'm still in my work clothes. So I have these cool, they have like some pinkish to them, but they're dark because I have brown pants on and this cool pink shirt. But pink is like a nude to me. It goes with everything. What did you all do today? Yay! Good job, guys. Hi, Rebecca. Oh, careful. I've gotten it in my hair before. It's not fun. And the blush scents, since they're so bright, I had a streak of pink hair for like 3 days. All right, a second on, one more. It's pretty. Y'all are so quiet. Hi, Melinda. All right, going in with my third one, and this is Mod Magenta, y'all. I did mess up there a little bit. Thank you. Yeah, y'all, this color is, it's gorgeous. It is so pretty. But to me, it's like, see, like people would wear, y'all would wear this, right? If you would wear this color, put a 1. If you wouldn't, if you still think this is crazy, put a 2. Because I want to know, because in my mind, which we all know, my mind's a little bit, we all know, I think this is a, like, everyday, perfectly normal color. There you go. Yeah, see, this one, yeah, this isn't crazy to me. Oh, I got a lot on. Hi, Megan. Megan, you're not winning. No, your name's in there, but I was like, I swear, if she wins. Yes, good, Melinda. This one, it is. It's so pretty. And to me, it just depends on the lighting. It's definitely a pink. It's not a red, but it pulls a little more red on me. It's hard to tell in pictures and stuff. You know, if the lighting, it makes everything different. Let's see if I grab my little light, because it's far away. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see? It is. It's pink. I don't even know the purpose of this. It's all the way back here. Huh. Mod Magenta. Glossy. Glossy is the only gloss that will seal in your color, ladies. I still have people that do not want the glossy. They don't like glossy lips, which I understand. Me either. But you see how it's so glossy right now? It doesn't stay like that. This stuff soaks in. And matte colors, when you get them, they're already matte. So once the stuff soaks in, they're matte. But y'all, you can seal with this, pat it off if you want another finish, like a matte finish, like hardcore right away, and put it on. So, it's okay. But, see, once you, like, rub it in, it sinks in. It's just, oh, it feels so good, too. Y'all are missing out if you don't like the glossy. Just glossy. But see, even doing that, it took away a lot of the shine. So, yeah, it'll come off. You can put your other glossy on after that. None is all still there. So, that's Mod Magenta, and that is last. And I'm not doing a video demo because I feel like I said this is an everyday color. So any color would go with this. Any color. It is pink. Any pink, any blue, any purple, all black, all solid, any color, yellow, you name it, you pick it, it goes with pink. Okay? Pink is like, it's a nude to me. So, but that's it for the demo. And I'm going to get to picking. But first, I want to say thank you so much for all of y'all's support and, you know, continuous support and for sharing and for just helping me out so much. And I'm having so much fun. I hope that I'm actually teaching y'all something, or like you're getting something out of it, laughs, you know, or just having fun. I don't know, because I am, and I've learned a bunch of stuff too. I've learned a whole lot, and it's so much fun. I love it. So I just want to say thank you so much, y'all. And especially for all the shares. It's got my name out there a little bit more, I think. So that's awesome. I hope people can come check out our amazing products, and I can teach people some things about how I make myself beautiful. My beauty haven. But which I'm gonna do, I got a request to show how I do the wavy curls, which this is from 6 o'clock this morning, so this is super like out. But so I may do a hair tutorial next on these kind of curls. I don't know when. Maybe in a couple of days, or maybe tomorrow. I could be in the morning. It depends on when I wake up. I don't know. But okay, y'all, thank you so much. I love you all, and just thank you. I mean, it does. It really means a lot to me. Not kidding. But I'm gonna go ahead. I got this little thing. My son got it out of my room. It's just decor, and of course they want to play with my decor. So it's sitting on the counter. I got it. Everyone's name's in here. And y'all get to pick whatever color you want, okay? Whatever color, and I will order it for you if I do not have it in stock. Okay, and I can't see any of them, just letting y'all know. Darcy! It's backwards, upside down, whatever. Darcy Williams, you won! Darcy's my girl, I work with her. I love her. Yay, Darcy! That's so exciting. Thank you, Darcy. Thank you so much for sharing and for showing continuous love and support for me. I love you, and I will see you tomorrow. And you can tell me what color you would like for free. Hi, Catherine. I think that's who's on. And hey, everyone else who's jumped on. I'm getting braver. Thanks for. Thank you, Megan. Good. I'm glad it's doing something. I mean, maybe I'm probably just giving a bunch of people laughs. I don't know. I definitely have a shirt behind me. I didn't even know that. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'm learning a lot. I'm having so much fun. Gives me something to do. You know. But that is it for the night, and I'm going to get off of here and get ready for bed because I have work in the morning. And congratulations, Darcy, on winning the free color. And I'll be doing something fun like this every month because I love it. That was so much fun. Thank you guys again so much. Love you all. See you soon.